Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Principles of Management. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. In Module 4, we're going to be looking at managing human resources, diversity, and inclusion. So this week we're going to have the discussion board post as always and the assignment. Let's go in here and look and see exactly what our goals are for this week. Waiting for it to load. Looks like our module goals are pretty hefty this week. We're going to be looking at chapters 8 and 9. So we're going to give reasons why companies recruit both internally and externally for new hires. We also are going to look at a lot of these different other items, but the ones that I'm definitely going to look at more in detail is define monolithic, pluralistic, and multicultural organizations. List of steps that managers and organizations can take to cultivate diversity. So definitely one of those things that we definitely want to do is we want to definitely understand these items a little bit deeper and really try to understand exactly why we want to be more diverse and why we want to include other races and stuff of that nature. One of the things that I've definitely had at my insurance company that I work at is we've definitely had a lot of people working from the Middle East and stuff of that nature that came over and started working with us in IT, and they're definitely great. It's one of those things where they definitely bring a unique perspective that can definitely help us to see things in different ways, which is a very big strength of the company. So hopefully you've had similar experiences. That's one of the things that makes America great is our diversity. And it's one of those things we should definitely celebrate and really try to work towards even more of. But if you have any questions or need anything this week, feel free to let me know. Thanks and have a great day.